Welcome, fashion stoppers, where everything is unique and it's the creativity and not the brand. I am behind the camera. I am so excited to introduce my beautiful, beautiful mother. We are in her workshop. Say hi to the camera, mommy.
Hello,
hey,
everyone.
We are in her workshop. I'm excited to announce my mother is officially a furniture maker. So I will show you a preview of a bench that she made, but as you can see, I'm at her workshop because she is about to create 2 benches for me. So I think we will complete one today and then another one will be coming very, very soon. But this is just a sneak peek of her workshop. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to show as much as I can, but you know, she's in her zone. So I just wanted to again give a sneak peek. So stay tuned. Tell them bye, mother.
Bye. Always remember, safety first. That's the #1 rule. Always, because any type of wood could pop up in your eyes and you definitely don't want that. Can you believe I'm doing this with these long nails? I do everything with my nails.
Beautiful. But she do have gloves, everybody. They're right here.
That wasn't good. Okay. Oh, I think I'm on something.
It's the foundation for me. Go, mom. Look at her. Can't tell me. Look at her nails and look at what she doing. Like,
And that's another thing.
say hi, Dad.
Hello.
Oh, Lord. All right. Bye, y'all. This is a view of a already finished bench that my mother previously made. I just wanted to give a clip of it. Amazing. Great cushion. Catch the detail. And she made this pillow as well. She's very creative. So if you ever want to know where I get my creativity from, it definitely comes from my mommy. Look how amazing this is. Very soft and beautiful. Stay tuned for my finished products. You better go to work. Coming together, people. Wait for the final look, and when it's set up at my home, stay tuned.